Hi everyone, my name is Colby and I'm going to be talking about test-driven development. Test-driven development is exactly as it sounds. It is a development technique for building software guided by tests. You build failing tests before writing your code, then allow these tests to drive your code, hence the name. I've written an article describing test-driven development and why you should use it. You can find a link in the video description. Let's dive into the TDD process. Many of us know of this cycle as red-green refactor. We write a failing test, we make that test pass, and we improve on that code. In test-driven development, errors help us determine our next step. As we continue to drive our code with tests, the way in which tests fail become important. We should put thought into how and why our tests fail. So if we do introduce a breaking change, the test failures help us debug what broke. The better our error message, the better our feedback. So it's best to fail fast and fail for the right reasons. A good practice is creating just enough for the test to pass and nothing more. It is really easy to get ahead of ourselves for writing code. When we code too far into the future, we make things too difficult for ourselves. This can waste time and, more importantly, clients' money. This is the perfect opportunity to optimize our code, making it work more efficiently while still satisfying our tests. We can refactor with confidence because running our test afterwards will quickly let us know if we've broken anything. If you think about it, why don't we like to clean up messy code or old code? We're afraid we'll break it. But if we have tests, we can be sure that our code is not broken, and we can detect breaking changes immediately and have confidence in our code while making changes to it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out my full article on test-driven development.